Hello YouTube family, how are you all doing? In today's video, I'm going to quickly show you how to sell USDT using P2P trading on BingX and withdraw your money directly to your bank account. Right now, I have around 464 rupees worth of USDT in my account. Now, instead of transferring it to another wallet, the easiest way to cash it out is through P2P selling. First, go to the Assets section and check your USDT balance. Then, on the home screen, click on Deposit and select Quick Buy. From there, open P2P Trading and switch to the Sell option. Here, you'll see different buyers with different prices. Some may offer $92, $93 per USDT, and you can choose the best rate. You can also use filters to set your amount, for example 4,000 rupees, so you only see buyers who accept that range. Always choose a buyer who is online, green dot, and supports your payment method, like UPI, PhonePe, or bank transfer. Now click on Sell, enter the amount, and select UPI. Add your UPI ID or QR code, then confirm the order. The system may ask for email, OTP, and Google Authenticator for security. After that, your order will be pending. Once the buyer sends the payment, check your bank or PhonePe app. When you receive the money, simply click Payment Received on BingX. After confirmation, your USDT will be released and the trade will be completed. That's it. This is the simple process to convert your crypto into real money using P2P on BingX.